A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back to my channel. This is Shivam Shukla and here I am again to solve a problem on dynamics, kinematics of particles. It's a problem on rectilinear motion type 5, that is on variable acceleration motion, that is VAM. When for a train acceleration as a function A as a function of V is given and we are supposed to find the velocity of train when its displacement is given and to find displacement when its velocity is given. Let us see the question statement. The action of the train starting from rest at any instant is given by the expression A. So let me write down the given data. So given data is A is equal to 8 upon V square plus 1, where A will be of course in terms of meter per second square. Equation number 1, where V is the velocity of the train in meter per second. Find the velocity of the train when its displacement is 20 meter and its displacement when velocity is 64.8 kilometers per hour. Friends, just to make you sure, the action of the train starting from rest at any instant. That means one more given data is there with us, that is S is equal to 0. At S is equal to 0, that is at displacement is equal to 0, velocity we are considering as 0 because starting from rest at any instant, that instant we are taking S is equal to 0, V is 0. Now we will be proceeding ahead to find the first condition, that is there velocity we are supposed to find when S is equal to 20 meters, and displacement we are supposed to find second condition, that is S is equal to question mark when velocity is equal to 64.8 kilometers per hour, that is nothing but 64.8 into 5 by 18 in terms of meter per second. Then and there 64.8 into 5 divided by 18. So it is 18. So it is nothing but 18 meter per second. Let us do it again. 64.8 into 5 divided by 118 is 18 meter per second. Let us just go ahead with the solution of this problem. Friends, the equation is given A as a function of V and the parameters that they have asked is in terms of velocity and displacement. So now it is a challenge for us which equation we are supposed to use for acceleration. So now A, there is an equation, we know that as per the chain rule, A is equal to, I will just derive it, A is equal to dV divided by dt, to be specific dV divided by ds into ds divided by dt. Friends, I can write it like this ds by dt is nothing but v into dv by ds. Since I can mention it, ds by dt, that is velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Yes, so this is equation number 2. I will be equating 1 and 3. 1 and 2, sorry. So equating 1 and 2, equating 1 and 2, it will be 8 divided by v square plus 1. Equation of the question is 8 divided by v square plus 1 is equal to v into dv by ds. Therefore, it is v into v square plus 1 into dv is equal to, I can write 8 into ds. I have just cross multiplied the values. So therefore v cube plus v into dv is equal to 8 into ds. Just now I will be integrating it, taking the lower limits as, integrating both the sides, taking lower limits as, integrating both the sides taking lower limits as, we are having that condition with us, taking s is equal to 0 at v is equal to 0. When s is equal to 0, v is 0. When s is 0, v is 0. Therefore, integral of 0 to v cube plus v into dv is equal to 8 into integral of 0 to s ds. Therefore, v raised to 4 by 4 plus v square by 2 is equal to 8 into s. So this is the equation number 3 that we have got it. Now let us proceed ahead to find out the values. That is the equation number 3. Now just we need to substitute the values to get the answers. First, when s is equal to, first condition in the problem, we are supposed to find v and when s is equal to 20 meter. V is question mark when s is 20 meter. V question marks when s is equal to 20 meters. So therefore v4 by 4 plus v square by 2 is equal to 8 into 20. Let v square is equal to, I can consider it as p just for getting the answer. So therefore p square by 4 plus p by 2 minus 20 into 8 is 160 is equal to 0. Therefore p is equal to, quadratic equation I need to solve it now. 5 I will be selecting, 3 I will be selecting. Then first is 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 2 is equal to minus 160 is equal to. So it is 24.317. P square is equal to 24.317 or minus 26.317. Since guys v square is nothing but p, so negative value we have to neglect. So we are neglecting it and we are proceeding ahead. Therefore p square is equal to 24.317. Sorry, p is equal to 24.317 we are considering. Therefore p is equal to v square is equal to 24.317 and therefore v is equal to square root of the answer. It is 24 square root of 24.317. The answer is 4.931 meter per second. Yes. So square root of it is nothing but 4.931 meter per second. Let us go for the second condition to find when v is equal to 18 meter per second. What is s? V is equal to 18 meter per second. Equation is v raised to 4 by 4 plus v square by 2 is equal to 8s. Now second part, to find s when v is equal to 18 meter per second. Therefore 18 raised to 4 by 4 plus 18 square by 2 is equal to 8 into s. Therefore s is equal to 18 raised to power 4 is equal to divided by 4 plus 18 square 18 का square 18 raised to 4 divided by 4 2624. I will be writing it in detail. 26244 plus 18 square, that is 324 divided by 2, that is plus 162 is equal to 8 times s. Now I can write it s directly, that is 162 plus 26244 is equal to divided by 8, 3300.75. S is equal to, you can write it down over here, S is equal to 3300.75 in terms of meters. So friends, for this particular value of S equation and this, it will be giving you 1 mark. V ka value will be giving you 1 mark. It's a 4 marks problem in all, and whatever the equation you have derived, that will be giving you overall 2 marks. So this is the way how this particular problem is going to get solved. So please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.